this install is pretty simple. All you have to do is remove some stuff, plug and play, put it back in. That's it. It's not supposed to be hard. It's not supposed to. Okay, this is not the right size. Yeah, it's too big. I can't find the extensions that comes like this and are connected to this, which is very, very annoying. Round 2. Some of you who know this, you're gonna laugh. Yesterday, the reason why I messed up is because I was looking for this extension. When I was watching the YouTube installs, they had this, but it wasn't like this. It was like this. So in my hands, this extension was one piece. However, this is not one piece. This, you can remove it. So I was going to stores looking for this, but all I could find was something like this with this port. And in my head I was like, it doesn't make sense, because this is the end. You see this little square is the same as this one, so it didn't connect to me. But looking online yesterday, actually today, I figured out that this was one, and that you could put your sockets at the end of this, and this at the end of this one. Et voila! Here we have our extension. So in my case, to remove the 10 millimeters, I needed this one. And that's all we got. There goes nothing, people. How easy is this? Oh, 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 it's moving. Oh, it's absolutely moving. Okay, now the scariest part is that the way it's moving, when I'm going to remove it, it's going to drop. So, oh, I can see move. Oh, oh, okay, I'm gonna get this thing. My God, stay there, stay there, stay there, stay there. Oh no! I freaking lost it. You've got to be kidding me. Oh my God. I'm not removing the center console. Oh no. That bolt is gonna stay there and I'm gonna replace it. Okay, let's move on to the left side. I was so excited that I completely forgot to do a time check. I got here around 11:15 or 20 for me to set up everything. I started around 11:30. So yeah, 11:30 will be the check-in, we'll say. Alright, so we got everything put back somewhat together. I connected and staged most of the wiring and the cords that I needed. I'm gonna explain everything I've done at the end, but what I wanted to show you was this is the guy. Remember this? This is one of the bolt that I lost down there. So you are able to see, well, maybe you're not, but down over there, right behind all of this, there is the second bolt, and I'm going to retrieve it. That way we don't have any rattles when I'm driving, and everything is good. Everyone is happy. Here. All right. One more. One more, people. One more. One more. One more. Okay. Before I push this back, there needs to be some testing. So this is the moment of truth, people. All right. Now I'm gonna test the backup camera. Yes. All right. Good. Those are the main two things. The backup camera works. This works. Powered fine. So that means pretty much everything else that I plugged in should work fine, but I still need to test a few things. I'll see you when I'm done with all that. Ladies and gentlemen, we did it. Now, the last clip that you saw was 2 weeks ago. And well, look at what we have here. It fits perfectly, no gap. And I had plenty of time to experience this, to do pretty much everything I wanted it to do. I am one happy customer, and I'm very happy that I was finally able to install this correctly. Everything works, even though in all of this there is one function that I'm a little bit sad about, but overall I've been experiencing this for the past week and it is fantastic. Super happy about this. And not only that, I've also fixed, you heard that? I was about to say, I've also fixed the camera. So now, the dash cam. So now we have everything that I wanted on this car, at least on the interior so far, working properly. And I was able to connect it to my phone so I can see exactly how the camera is set up. I set it up for parking mode, how it's enabled, all of that. Super happy about that, man. As you heard, as I will do, fan of anime, I put the language of the dash cam in Japanese. So when I start the car, I don't know if you heard that correctly earlier, but let me see. I have it on parking mode right now. So let me see. Is it gonna say something? Haha, you heard that? Man, of course I was gonna put it in Japanese, people. Like, of course I was going to. I already set up a few apps, and I realized, I've told you that there was one specific reason why I bought this thing, and I realized, well, actually, this gave me a good excuse to make another video, because the reasoning is pretty simple for me, but for some people it's gonna be like, why? So I'm gonna make a specific video talking about that and everything I did to this install in the next video, and the reason why I bought it. So yeah, see you then. Ah, man, I'm so happy about this. Wait.